Everyone. Now we are going to discuss about differential impact in terms of caste, class, gender, age, location, disability under disaster management subject unit 1 introduction to disaster. So here these are all the things how its impact to the disaster: caste, class, gender, age, location and disability. First we'll look the caste. So some people are inhabited at low land areas. Their houses conditions of these people are precarious and risk. During flood or cyclone time, they have no space to take shelter. Neither the other caste people allow them to take temporary shelter in their houses. And sheer poverty and disaster make them worse. Some lack of information about a possible occurrence of disaster make threat to their lives and livelihoods. And also bonded labor increases. These people inhabited at the foot of the hills and maintain in flash flood wash them away. So next, how the gender is impact to disaster. Women, children, widow, destitute, destitute and adolescent girls are most vulnerable and threat to various type of health hazards. And also young women, adolescent girls and young widows are exposed to sexual violence in the society. Elderly person or both women and men are neglected in all respect and aspect to disaster. And age, youngest and oldest people are mostly impacted destructively during any disaster for the matter. And location, so location is main factor for the disaster. So the people living in the low land area like riverside, side of the river embankment, coastal areas are most prone to be affected by the natural calamities. Some places often prone to ethnic or communal violence. Some places more prone to earthquake zones. So if some places are there in zone 4 or zone 5 area means, so the earthquake may occur continuously. And also nearby the coastal areas, mostly fishermen are living in the coastal areas. So every year twice or thrice they may facing the cyclone and high tide level. So, and disability, how disability impact disaster. So some visually challenged people, hearing impaired person, physically disabled persons, mentally challenged persons and unable to hear danger signals, alarms, etc. And also some people difficulty in evacuation and protection, difficulty in getting access to relief, compensation and money from the government or NGOs. So some people difficult locating avenues of escape, have to face the shock of losing all the that they had attained in life. So home, family, security is all comes under disability to disaster. So finally, we need to recommend for future complex interaction of disaster and risk with gender, class, age, disability and other of inequality, group behaviors and intercommunity comparison of socially disadvantaged groups, and also development of theoretical models based on sociological and political economy theory. And finally, technological disasters may happen. Hope we may understand the topics. Thank you.